Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tricky Notes. So friends, today in this chapter we will be discussing about average. So friends, average is one of the most important chapter in aptitude. So let's discuss about average. So when I'm talking about average, in average you will be having different kinds of problem. So I have sorted the problems in 5 categories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have sorted all the problems in average you will be finding in these 5 categories only. So let's talk about the first category, that is random series. Okay. In random series, what happens if you have a series of random numbers? This is basically the definition of average. That is, if you have a series of random numbers, the average will be summation of all the numbers divided by number of objects or observation. So here I have taken an example where I have taken 5 numbers, that is 5, 4, 8, 3 and 20. And to find out the average of these 5 numbers, what I'll have to do? The solution is I'll have to do the summation of 5, 4, 8, 3, 20, that is equal to 40, divided by, I have 5 objects or 5 observations. So divided by 5, I am getting the answer to be 8. So this is the random series problem. If you have numbers here and there, if you have random numbers, so this is the best thing that you can do. This is the definition, says you need to add all the numbers divided by number of objects or observation. I am saying objects or observation because see, each number 5, 4, 8, 3, 20, each number is a object or an observation for me in this question. So this is the definition or the first variety of average, that is random series problems. So coming to the next problem, that is equal interval problems. In the previous question we discussed, if you have questions based on random series, numbers here and there. But in this variety, we will be discussing questions based on equal interval. So let's take one example. The series here given is an equal interval 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. So each number, the difference is 4, the difference is 4, this difference is 4, this difference is 4. So we can say this series is in equal interval. And to solve problems of this, what we can do is, the average of this is, if you have a series of numbers with equal interval and the number of objects or observation is odd. If you have 5 numbers, if you have 7 numbers, the average will always be the middle number. The average will always be the middle number because you have 5 numbers, 7 numbers, 11 numbers. So you will definitely have a middle number. So that is why we say, instead of adding all the numbers dividing by number of objects or observation, the best thing that we can do is the middle number is the average. Let's see, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Here we have 7 numbers. What is the average? Here I will have 3 numbers. This side I have 3 numbers. This is the middle number. So this is my average. I don't have to calculate. This is my average. And how will I verify? See, let's verify. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 16, 40, 40 plus 20, that is 60, 60 plus 24, that is 84, 84 plus 28, that is 112, 112 divided by 7, 112 divided by 7, 7 1 ja, 7 6 ja. This is the answer. And we have done it before. We have just taken the middle number, that is the average of the series of numbers if you have a series of numbers with equal interval. Now, here we have a condition C. If the number of objects is odd, then only you can have a middle number. But you must be thinking, if the number of objects is even, you don't have a middle number. So for those kind of things, what we can do? If the number of objects is even, my dear friend, if the number of objects is even, the equal interval and the number of objects is even, if the number of objects is even, so the average will always be the summation of first and last number divided by 2. This is the best thing that we can do. Summation of first and last number divided by 2. Let's check one. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 numbers. 4 this side, 4 this side. So friends, I don't have a middle number. I don't have a middle number here. So how will I find out the average? I'll add the first number with the last number. And I'm telling you why I'm choosing the first plus the last. I'll tell you. First and the last number divided by 2. So 4 plus 32, that is 36, divided by 2, that is 18. And you see 18 is the average. 18 comes between 16 and 20. So now friends, why I'm saying you need to choose the first and last number, because sometimes you must be getting questions, find the average of 40 multiples of 4. So in that case, 40 multiples of 4, the first number will be 4, the last number will be 4 into 40, that is 160. So first number is 4, last number is 160. The answer is 164 divided by 2, that is 82. So finding out the first number and last number is not difficult in any case. So you always need to choose the first and last number. Summation of the first and last number divided by 2, that gives you the answer in case of if you have number of objects even. So here I have given you few problems based on equal interval. I request you to pause the video and answer the questions. Put your answers in the comment box. Let's see how many you could do. Let's see how many you could do within 1 minute. All the 6 questions you should be in a position to answer in 1 minute. If you are answering all the questions in 1 minute, then excellent. So for the next varieties, you'll have to watch my next video. I'll be putting the links in the description box. So best of luck. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please follow Tricky Notes. Thank you.